Introducing Quick, the fastest and easiest way to create awesome videos from your GoPro or smartphone footage automatically. In just seconds, Quick analyzes your footage to find great moments, adds beautiful transitions and effects, and syncs everything to the beat of the music. Add up to 200 photos and video clips from your phone, Facebook account, Google Photos, and more. And with a GoPro Plus subscription, you can add photos and videos from the cloud for easy on-the-go editing. Choose from a variety of video styles, each with unique filters, transitions, graphics, and fonts. From action to dashing, sunny to slice, you'll find the perfect style to match the vibe of your video. Add another layer to your story with custom text overlays and title slides. You can even add emojis. With a library full of great music, you'll find the perfect soundtrack for your video, or use a song of your own. Whatever soundtrack you choose, Quick syncs your video to match the beat and emotion of the music. Just back from a fun weekend getaway or vacation? Every watch videos made from related moments on your mobile device. Just open the app to see what's been created for you. When you're ready to show your friends, just tap Save to post your video to Instagram, Facebook, and more. Or save it to your mobile device. Quick is available for iOS and Android, completely free with no in-app purchasing. Download it today and in just seconds, create an awesome video you'll want to share with everyone. Editing has never been this fast or this fun.